Hello IG Tech family. What if I told you that the processor you choose today can either make your PC a beast or a bottleneck, Intel or Ryzen, speed or cores, power or value? Well, in today's video we're solving the battle of all time. Ryzen versus Intel, once and for all. Whether you're a gamer, a video editor, or an AI enthusiast, this video is your ultimate guide. Let's break the myths, bust the confusion, and make sure your next processor is your smartest investment yet. Welcome to IG Tech, let's fire it up. Let's start with the basics. Ryzen is AMD's modern-day warrior. Intel is the old giant with legacy power. But who wins now? Ryzen 3 versus Intel Y3. Both are entry-level, but Ryzen 3, like 3200G, often comes with better integrated graphics, Vega, and more cores in some cases. Ryzen 5 versus Intel i5, mid-range powerhouses. Ryzen 5 5600 is a legend. 6 cores, 12 threads, cheaper than Intel i5 12400, but often performs neck-to-neck in games. Ryzen 7 versus Intel i7. Now it gets interesting. Ryzen 7 5800X or 7700X offer higher core thread counts. Intel i7 12700 or 13700 has big little core architecture. Ryzen 9 versus Intel i9, high-end monsters. Intel i9 13900K beats Ryzen 9 7900X in raw gaming FPS. But Ryzen 9 gives better multi-threaded performance for rendering and AI. Gamers, listen up. If you care about frame rates, single-core speed matters. That's where Intel shines, especially in its 12th and 13th gen CPUs. i5 12400F, i5 13400F, or i7 12700K give buttery smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming. Ryzen 5 5600 or 7600 are very close and offer better upgradability. If you're building a budget PC for gaming, Ryzen 5 5600 plus B550 motherboard is a killer combo. Intel i5 12400F plus B660 is a great choice too. Verdict: for pure gaming, Intel has a slight edge. For gaming plus future upgrades, Ryzen gives more value. Now let's talk video editing and content creation. More cores and threads equal faster renders. Ryzen processors often win in multi-threaded workloads like Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, and DaVinci Resolve. Ryzen 7 5800X, Ryzen 9 5900X, or 7900X beat Intel i5s in rendering tasks. But Intel i7 12700 and i9 13900 catch up using hybrid architecture. Also, Ryzen supports ECC memory and is more efficient under long rendering tasks, important for creators. Verdict: for editors and YouTubers, Ryzen 7 or 9 is your best friend. For quick render plus game streamers, Intel i7/i9 also works well. Using AI tools like Runway ML, Topaz Video AI, ChatGPT desktop clients, or Stable Diffusion, you need high core/thread count and AVX instruction support. Ryzen 7000 series and Intel 13th Gen both support AVX 512 to an extent. Intel CPUs often thermal throttle sooner in AI inference tasks, unless you have strong cooling. Ryzen CPUs generally have more stable performance over longer workloads. Ryzen 9 7950X or Intel i9 13900KF are AI monsters. For intense AI tools, Ryzen 9 slightly wins for efficiency. For short, intense tasks, Intel i9 performs faster but heats more. Intel is always faster. False. Ryzen 5 5600 beats many i5s in productivity. Ryzen overheats more. False. Ryzen 7000 series has excellent thermal control, better than older Intel chips. You can't game on Ryzen. False. Ryzen 5 5600 plus GTX 1660 equals perfect 1080p combo. Ryzen CPUs don't support all apps. False. 100% compatible with Windows 11, Adobe, AI tools, everything. Task budget combo. Ryzen. Option Intel. Option gaming. Budget 25K to 30K Ryzen. 5600 plus B550. i5 12400F plus B660. Editing, mid-range 40K to 50K Ryzen 7 5800Xi 7 12700 high-end editing /AI 70K to 90K Ryzen 9 7900X / 7950X i9 13900K / i9 14900KF. Future upgrades, flexible socket, AM5, better longevity, frequent socket changes. Ryzen gives better value per rupee, especially in India where motherboard prices vary a lot. Best for gamers, Intel i5 13400F or Ryzen 5 7600. Best for editors, Ryzen 7 5800X or Intel i7 12700. Best for AI tools, Ryzen 9 7900X or Intel i9 13900KF. Best budget build, no GPU, Ryzen 5 5600G with Vega iGPU. Pro tip: Ryzen G series, like 5600G, has powerful integrated graphics for those without a GPU. So, who wins, Ryzen or Intel? If you're all about value, multitasking, editing, and efficiency, Ryzen takes the crown. If you're chasing maximum gaming, FPS, and single-thread performance, Intel has the edge. But remember, the best CPU is the one that fits your work, your workflow, and your wallet. This is IG Tech, giving you clarity in the chaos of tech. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a confused friend, and subscribe for more powerful comparisons like this one. Until next time, keep creating, keep gaming, and keep upgrading.